New singers, do this, or those vocal exercises that you take often will not work. First, you need to set realistic goals. You need to understand that vocal development takes time. For you to develop your voice, it's going to take you time. So you need to set realistic goals. You need to say, okay, from now to next 2 months, I should be able to learn 2 songs, 3 songs, 4 songs, 5 songs. I should be able to sing this kind of style. Should be able to do this. Set goals that you can actually achieve, okay? If not, you just be doing vocal exercises and be wasting your time doing vocal exercises. You need to understand, what is this vocal exercise actually for? You need to understand what that vocal exercise will give you. Are you doing an exercise that will help to train your jaw? Are you doing an exercise that will help to build your stamina or your vocal agility? Are you doing an exercise that will help to build your high notes? Are you doing an exercise that will help you to be flexible? What is the goal of that exercise? So when you do that, it will help you to actually be more effective with those vocal exercises that you're doing. The next thing is you need to practice correct breathing. You cannot be doing vocal exercise with wrong breathing technique. If you're using wrong breathing technique, and at the end of the day, you will feel pains. And you'll be like, I was doing vocal exercises, yet I'm losing my voice. It's because you're not doing it rightly. And you don't even do breathing exercises. If you want to try out some breathing, we have some breathing exercises up here that you can do that will help you to actually stop singing from your throat. Then you need to do warm up and cool down exercises. Warm up exercises will help you to warm up from the name, and then cool down will help you to cool down too. From the name, you can already understand what I'm talking about. So anytime you want to sing, always warm up. Anytime that you want to even do vocal exercises, warm up your voice. Warm up. And after you're done singing, cool down. When you do this thing often, you will not have vocal strain. Next thing you need to do too is that you need to stay hydrated. A voice that is not hydrated cannot sing effectively. You need to make water your friend. You need to love it. You need to drink it as often as possible, and take things that will help keep you hydrated. Foods that will keep you hydrated. Make them your friends, because the more hydrated you stay, the more flexible you'll be with your voice. So if you want those vocal exercises to work, stay hydrated. Get enough rest. Make sure you rest. Always rest very well. We have days that are called vocal rest days. On those days, you avoid talking unless if it is necessary that you talk. You rest your voice and get better the next day. The next thing is you need to practice regularly. Even if you're doing all those vocal exercises, you need to be practicing different songs. When you do those vocal exercises, you learn new songs. You need to be patient. You cannot just say, okay, I start training my voice today and I'm expecting to have results immediately. No, it's something that will come out gradually over time. You start to see that those songs that used to be hard for you is no longer hard for you. It's becoming seamless and easy. Those things that felt difficult for you, you begin to find it and understand. But if you are rushing it and say, I'm not already singing better. Oh, I'm still singing the way I used to sing. Oh, I am not this. You will see that all the training you're doing will not work. So you have to be patient with yourself. As far as you're doing all that your vocal teacher is telling you to do, so you have to be patient with yourself, okay? Be patient and let your voice grow. Don't push your voice beyond what it cannot do. You know that you don't have a high voice and you are forcing yourself to sing high. It's not right. Be patient. If you have a high voice, gradually you will build it and get into those kind of styles that you want to sing effectively. And then finally, you need to take care of your health, because a healthy singer is a healthy voice. So you need to take care of your overall health. You exercise, you eat well, you avoid getting sick. And if you get sick, make sure you get treated as soon as possible so that it doesn't affect your voice in any way. So if you do all these things that I have told you to do, I bet you your vocal exercises will begin to work. If you're interested on how to release your sound, just comment that you're interested and I will send you a link that will take you to our free community where you will learn more about your voice and gain access to free resources that will help you to be a better singer. If you want to learn more about your voice, click this next video here and then learn more about your voice.